If you're an online coach or you're trying to be an online coach, I'm going to give you a ChatGPT prompt that will help you get better results using ChatGPT. The people that are going to succeed the most in any profession going forward are going to be the people that know how to communicate with AI. So this is just an understood thing. How do you communicate with AI? Well, you do it with prompts. The problem is, just like in real life, if you ask the wrong question, you might get a wrong answer or a bad answer. Or in other words, we've always said questions are the answer. So the better questions you're able to ask, the better answers you're able to get, and whoever has the best answer is going to do better in the long run. So how do you get a great answer from the machine, from AI? These 4 points, when you put it in this order, you're going to get back a much better result. So we have role, receiver, task, reason. So the role, you want to tell the machine, AI, you want to tell it what its role is. In this example, let's say that we were trying to figure out how to do something in real estate. So I could say, you are a master of real estate investing and you know everything about real estate so that you never make a mistake or lose any money on investments. Once you say that, that's a sentence, you hold down shift and hit enter and it'll put down a new line. You don't want to just hit enter because then it'll take off. You just want to hold shift and hit enter, it'll create a new line. Then receiver. The receiver is the person that can either be you, so I put I, or them. Let's say you're using it to create content or something like that, and you're referencing a customer. Let me show you. So you're a real estate genius. I am somebody that is wanting to invest in real estate, or the receiver could be, my customer is wondering how they should best invest in real estate or whatever. Okay, so you're a master in real estate. I am somebody that is wanting to invest in real estate. Task. So what do you want it to do? You're a master in real estate. I am somebody that wants to invest in real estate. And then you hold down shift, hit enter. What I want you to do is I want you to create a breakdown step by step of the best way for me to invest $200,000 into real estate so that I am positioned to buy more real estate and create more cash flow through real estate. So there's the task. Hold down shift, hit enter, and then you want to tell it why. So you're a master in real estate. I want to invest in real estate. I want you to break down exactly how to invest $200,000 so that I don't lose money. And the reason why is because I'm trying to get into real estate and buy properties, and the properties that I buy, I want those properties to give me the ability to buy more properties and basically position myself in a place of cash flow without high risk. So that's how you use this right here. So role, receiver, task, reason. So what I want you to do is I want you to practice with this, play with this, and see what kind of results you're getting. And then once it gives you whatever the answer is, you can also say, now let's break everything down step by step. So you can say that before this here or after this here, and it'll start breaking things down step by step. That way you're getting bulleted lists, or it's showing you a step-by-step process of what to do next. If you start learning how to talk to AI, your coaching business and you as an online coach are going to give your coaching clients so much better results and so much more value than if you were to not know how to prompt and talk to AI. Please understand how to prompt and talk to AI, because going forward into the future, the people that will be up here and in power will be the people that know how to talk to the machine that is smarter than everyone else. Right now, AI by itself alone is smarter than any human on the planet, and it knows everything. So don't think of AI as like this thing that's gonna steal your job or take your career from you or whatever the case is. Instead, think of it as it's you plus the collective consciousness of humans, and you have the ability to merge those two things almost like a symbiotic connection and provide powerful, quick, good results. That's how I would go about thinking about it, because the people that are going to lose to this whole process are the people that don't understand how to communicate with it and are not learning how to work with it. Hope this helped you. Give it a try. Go start trying some different prompts with this and let me know down in the comments how it helped you.